Hello and welcome to Food in Provence. I'm Hannah, a mind body eating coach, and I'm here to help you how to live a healthier and happier life. And if you're a mother, gosh, I know you've been through so much stress these last 18 months, and that's why in this video we're going to be talking about remedies, natural remedies for stress and anxiety. Stay tuned. Hey, hello again, here's Hannah, certified mind body eating coach, and you can find me at foodinprovence.com. And if you would like to book a one-on-one coaching session, go to this page. And today we're going to be talking about remedies, natural remedies for stress and anxiety. And we spend so much time taking care of our body. We are exercising, but unfortunately we don't take enough care of our nervous system. And nervous system is the same as our body. It needs to be nourished, protected, and taken care of. So today we're talking about natural remedies for stress and anxiety. And of course, the first thing which I always start with, and when I'm helping my clients, I always start with nutrition. So if you thought that it's gonna be easy and you can continue eating processed food and sugar, unfortunately, I'm here to tell you that it's just not going to help you against stress, because nutrition is the most important thing when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. And if you don't start with nutrition, unfortunately your health will deteriorate. So what are the remedies which you can use for stress and anxiety? Well, I will not be the first person here to tell you that eating enough fruits and veggies is the most important thing. Because if we have enough antioxidants, then we have better mood, better sleep, we just feel more energized and vibrant. And we know that most of people don't eat enough fruits and veggies. Do you know how many fruits and veggies you should eat? How many portions? Well, per portion is simply if you put your hands like this is a portion. So of course, everyone would have different portions, but generally it's 7 to 13 portions of fruits and veggies. I know it sounds a lot, but here we are with a nutraceutical. This is a nutraceutical Juice Plus. If you want to know more, contact me. This is really to bridge the gap between what you eat and what you should eat. And if you're a mother, I know, because I have 4 kids, that it's so difficult to get your kids to eat healthy and eating enough fruits and veggies, and that's where Juice Plus comes in. So again, contact me if you want more info. And what about herbs? Because if you follow me for some time, you know that I'm just avid herbalist, avid gardener, and I love herbs because they just help me with feeling better. They help my kids to sleep. They help me support my nervous system. So what are the herbs which can be used for stress and anxiety? So of course it will be chamomile. We know that chamomile is wonderful, and just the act of mindfully drinking your chamomile tea can make a really big difference in the evening. And of course there are herbs such as oats, milky oats. It's not the season right now, so I make sure I always have dried milky oats in my pantry. And of course there is valerian. Valerian, unfortunately for many people, just smell like cat's piss. But it's wonderful, and I can assure you that if you drink valerian tea in the evening, you're gonna feel really sleepy, and sleep is again crucial if you want to feel energized and vibrant. And if we were talking about nutrition, green leafy veggies are again things which you can eat to stress away, to improve your mood and feeling less stressful. And in the next part of the video, we're gonna talk about some more remedies for stress and anxiety. Stay tuned. Hey, hello again, this is Hannah, a certified mind-body eating coach, and you can find me at foodinprovence.com. And if you want to book one-on-one coaching session, again, go to this page. And today we're talking about natural remedies for stress and anxiety, and we've been talking about nutrition. Again, very important, because there are foods which can help you against stress, too much stress, anxiety. Stress is fine. It's normal to have some level of stress. What is not normal is feeling chronic stress, being chronically stressed all the time. And we are unfortunately overusing our nervous system really daily, and it goes with using mobile phones all the time and just sitting at the computer and working. So this is where movement comes in. Again, as a mind-body eating coach, I don't believe in one single exercise because we are all different. So you should do and move how you like. You should do what you like. So it's not like spending hours in the gym. It's really movement which you like, and it can be dance, it can be working in the garden, it can be jogging, whatever you like is movement, and will help you to stay fit, healthy, and of course being more resilient to stress. So we talked about movement, nutrition, and to this nutrition piece we should add also not overusing alcohol, because yes, alcohol is fine. One glass of red wine is completely normal here in France, but again, overusing any substance is just not very good for our health. And we've been also talking about herbs. So we mentioned herbs such as valerian or oats. Lemon balm is also very beautiful, wonderful for sleep. Chamomile as well. And again, a mindful drinking of chamomile tea or lemon balm tea in the evening. It's a ritual in itself, and it will again help us to sleep better, which is important for supporting our nervous system. And the last thing, what we're going to be talking about are essential oils. And you know that I love essential oils. I use them daily because it's such a blessing when your kid sleeps, or if your kid has some cold or flu symptoms, so you just use essential oils. And as Food in Provence, I live in Provence, so the first choice will be, of course, lavender essential oils. And lavender essential oil, and it's wonderful also for mothers as for kids. How can you use it? You can simply open it, put a drop on your palm, and breathe in. And you can also, of course, use it in your diffuser, and you can rub one drop. You can rub it on your feet or on the feet of your kids. If you're not sure, if you're new to essential oils, always make sure you choose high quality essential oils, and you can dilute them in carrier oils such as coconut, fractionated coconut oil, or jojoba oil. And also very nice for kids and for mothers as well is tangerine essential oil, which can be used in diffuser, again mixed with carrier oil. Just make sure with these citrus oils they are photosensitive, so don't go in the sun after applying them. So again, these were natural remedies for stress and anxiety. And if you want to know more, go to foodinprovence.com, where I offer tips and healthy recipes, not only for stress or anxiety, but generally for healthy living. And if you want a one-on-one coaching session, go again to Food in Provence, contact, and you can book your session. And if you like the video, share it. I'm sure there are mothers who would appreciate this information. Take care. Bye.